present and show you guys how we make crystal by only using magazine simple with hot water and food color. Because HoangYen and PhiYen not here today because they're busy with something, so I will be the one who show you guys and doing the experiment and show you guys how we make it. And not let you guys waiting for long. Let's move on the experiment now. And now I'm gonna show you the material that we need for doing this experiment. First, we have a box and a container like to have environment in the box like where the crystal grow. And I have string and stick up here for like crystal gonna be growing on this string thing over here. Next up, we're gonna have magnesium sulfate, which is also called as Epsom salt. And for the thing is, we need a beaker, a spoon to smear the mixture and thing up, and hot water. I have two food coloring here. I have purple and pink, and I'm gonna do pink today. First, I put hot water in. Around 300 milliliters. And you can see on the number over here, around 2-3 milliliters. Yeah. Now for coloring. And then we have salt. We put like around 10 spoons of salt here. Okay, wait for me to stir that and this is very beautiful, isn't it? And then put around 2 spoons of salt. Here's the product of crystal. As you can see, I make another crystal here which is green. You can see it's kind of wet because of the water, and I can pick it out, and as you can see down here is the salt here. Yeah, the crystal kind of big and wet. I'm put down here. As you can see, this is a product of 8 hours of waiting the crystal in the fridge to grow. And let's see the product of it. As you see, I have the string here, but because the crystal is so big, I just get it off like that. You can see the waters around, and it's a whole big crystal. Oh my god, so big. Okay, there are kind of little salt in here, and it's very wet. Amazing.